Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Goa Motorsports Association is all set to host India's first ever motocross championship on Sunday. The TVS Goa Gold Cup Motocross Championship will be held at the Gomes racetrack in Kalangut.
GMSA President Ashley Gomes addressed the press on Thursday in the presence of FMSCI representative SPS Garcha and Radio Mirchi station head Ethel De Costa. GMSA has received 24 entries for the event, from which 14 racers have already arrived in the state. Gomes gave details about the national event.
It gives me great pleasure to announce that the National Federation that governs the sport in the country, the FMSCI, put their confidence in Goa Motorsports and gave us the rights to host the first ever motocross championship in India. It also gives me pleasure to tell you that there will be 3 rounds for this championship and all the 3 are given for Goa. I think that's a fantastic thing. The first round will be held on this Sunday, 24th. The second round will be held in November and the third will be held in December. We are trying to have this during the peak tourism season. For the first time, we have introduced something called MX1, MX2 and MX3. This was never there before in India. It was always the foreign class, the intermediate class and the privateers class, Indian Express class. It's more or less the same, but we have taken it to a different, what it is at the world level.
Besides GMSA, Auto Sports Association of Goa is another body present in the state. National Federation representative SPS Garcha disclosed that both the associations are recognized by the FMSCI.
Both are recognized.
Both are recognized.
See, there is no territory as such for motorsports. So the federation recognizes any federation or association or a club which wants to be registered, as long as we are going to now team them up with certain events. They have to give us performance. They have to give motorsport certain events. So if you're not giving us events, they'll be given a notice. And if they don't give an event within the short time of say 6 months to 1 year, then they will be given as a club which is redundant.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
St. Xavier's College from Mapsa emerged victorious in the Inter-College Hockey Tournament on Thursday. The Xavierites clinched the title in the men's as well as women's competition. The championship was organized by Goa University at Don Bosco Oratory Ground in Panji.
In the women's final, St. Xavier's beat Rosary College from Navili by a solitary goal. Aretha D'Souza scored the all-important goal for the Mapsa-based college. In the exciting men's final, St. Xavier's defeated defending champions Father Agnel College from Pilar 3-2 on penalties. The teams were locked goalless till the end of the regulation time. During the tiebreaker, goalkeeper Fraser Picardo's heroics under the bar ensured St. Xavier's the victory. St. Xavier's coach Eliter Fernandez shared his thoughts with Prudent Media after his team's double success.
It's a very good feeling that they won at last.
How do you feel they fared throughout the tournament?
They fared well because basically they are all beginners, exception of 3-4 state players. Rest all were beginners. So they really put their heart out to win.
Did everything go as per your plans?
No, they didn't play as per the plans. They were like a bit frightened that last year's winners they were playing, Pilar. So they didn't play as per the plan.
Well, you felt what did you feel about your goalkeeper Fraser?
He did his good job. He did his job well, as expected.
Anywhere else you felt that there should have been more improvements?
The improvement should be in the forward line because the forwards were not attacking. They were just waiting for the ball to come. They should have at least went as a forward, 4 forwards together. It was just like 2 forwards moving up.
Don Bosco Oratory Administrator Father Wilfred Fernandez was the chief guest and gave away the prizes. Goa University Director of Physical Education and Sports Milton Fernandez was also present. Our sports reporter from Panji Patterson Fernandez with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Goa is in festive mood. Jatras, feasts and many more things have added traditional, religious and cultural flavors to the state. Before ending this bulletin, let's have a look at the Vardapan celebration of Swami Samar temple in Mirsi. Classical singing by renowned singer Ajit Kadkade attracted many people. Enjoy this devotional music. I take your leave for now. Take care and goodbye.
Swami Namate Amrita Pyave Swami Namate Amrita Pyave Swami Namate Amrita Pyave Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Shri Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Shri Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Swami Samartha Nama Karangani Kalina Bhave Swami Namate Amrita Pyave Swami Namate Amrita Pyave